your kitchen, here's some hacks to make things easier. Pots and pans, just add a lemon, baking soda, and vinegar, bring it to boil, and everything should come right off. Wooden cutting board stains, add salt and scrub it with a half a lemon. Plastic cutting boards, baking soda, vinegar, and scrub with a lemon. When you measure out honey, syrup, or any other sticky stuff, don't do this. Spray with cooking spray first, and everything comes right out. Same thing when you grate cheese. The cheese doesn't get stuck on the grater. Descaling a kettle, just add vinegar, bring it to boil, let it sit for 1 hour, and boom, brand new. Oven grease. Mix baking soda and vinegar until you have a paste. Use a sponge to apply this mixture on the grease. Add 1 cup of vinegar in the bowl. Hi, Bella. Put it inside the oven, put the oven on low heat for 1 hour, and goodbye to the grease. For clogged drains, just sprinkle some baking soda, add vinegar, let it sit for 5 minutes, then add hot water. Boom! Add vinegar in the bowl, a half a lemon, microwave it for 1 minute, open it up and wipe it clean. Want to make everyday life a little bit easier? Here's what you do. Carpet stains, just sprinkle some salt on it, baking soda, a little bit of water, rub it in, and watch the magic happen. Streak-free mirrors, just dip a tea bag in some water, and then use it to clean your mirrors. Check this out. Crystal clear. If you want to make anything stainless steel shine, just sprinkle some baking soda on a half a lime like this. And check this out. Beautiful. Wrinkly shirt, throw it in the dryer, 1 ice cube for 1 minute, wrinkles gone. If your shoes smell, just put a tea bag in each. Overnight, the odor will be gone. If you put a few drops of nail polish remover on a cotton pad, you can bring out the whites in your shoes. Unshrink clothes. Hot water in a bucket. Add about a half a cup of the conditioner you use for your hair. Mix it up, let your clothes soak in there for 30 minutes. Take it out, remove the excess water. Let it dry. Boom, I can fit it now. Foggy glasses, we wear masks. Wipe them with shaving cream and done. Works in the bathroom too. If you hate cleaning, here's some hacks to make things easier. Water rings. Just put a damp cloth over them and then iron them out. Check this out. Boom, gone. Stove top. Just sprinkle some baking soda. Add some fresh lemon juice and watch it sizzle. Scrub and wipe it clean. Screens. Just dip a tea bag in water, rub it on the screen, and then wipe it off with a coffee filter. Descaling shower heads. Just pour some vinegar in a Ziploc bag, tie it around the shower head and let it soak for an hour. You won't believe how much gunk will come out. Works on sink faucets too. Hard water stains on chrome surfaces. Soak a paper towel in vinegar, place it over the surface, let it sit for a little bit, and boom, brand new. Shower glass doors. Fill up a spray bottle with vinegar, spray the glass, let it sit for 10 minutes, throw on some baking soda, put some salt on a half a lemon like this, scrub the glass and then wipe it off. Crystal clear. Oven racks. In a bowl, make a paste with baking soda, lemon juice, and vinegar. Apply it on a rack, let it sit for an hour, and everything comes right off.